Over the course of the construction of the counting circuit, there have been 4 phases for 4 different chips. The first chip was the 4011. Then we moved on to the 4017, then the 45110, then the 4511. Whether it was a decoder or a counter, each chip played a vital part in the construction of this circuit. The first chip we used was the 4011. Paired with a capacitor, this chip made the LED oscillate according to a duty cycle, which would be determined by a capacitance and a resistive load. The next part of the counting circuit was the 4017. This allowed us to see the 411's oscillation into a cycle of LEDs. This was due to the 4017's counting mechanism, which allowed the circuit to count the duty cycles of the capacitance charging and discharging. Next was the 4510. This allowed the circuit to actually start counting, but not in decimal format, in a binary format. This was achieved by using LEDs and lining 4 up to represent each 4 bits. This would mean that it would be able to count up to 15. Last but not least, we have the 4511. This took the binary and translated it into a decimal counter, which then was displayed on the 7 segment. Whether it's decoding or counting, each chip is vital to the circuit. That is because they're building blocks on each other, which then lead up to the 7 segment display at the very end.